In the last tutorial, we walked through how to edit your slides in Napkin. Now let's look at how to make your presentation truly stand out with effects. Effects transforms the entire visual feel of your presentation, while keeping your content and structure exactly as they are. Let's start with a single slide. Click anywhere on the slide and open the Effects panel, and you'll see a range of carefully crafted default effects. Click on any effect, then hit Apply to see how it looks. Explore a few until one clicks. Still not seeing what you want? Just type a prompt. Describe the vibe you want, and Napkin will generate a custom effect tailored to your presentation. When you're ready to transform the whole deck, hand it to the agent. Type your prompt, and Napkin applies it across every slide. Same content, same structure, completely transformed visual feel. That's effects. The finishing touch that takes a presentation from ready to present to impossible to forget. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to export your presentation and take it anywhere you need.